Moto is better for kids than stick and ball team sports. Here's why. Team sports help you build character and be a team player in life, right? No, not from my experience. I did play football for 12 years, mainly because that we could afford to do that, not as expensive as dirt bikes. I kind of wish I played dirt bikes for 12 years. So most of us in the workforce over the years have come to agree, while we do have to work well with others, the team doesn't get the reward. You get the reward. You work hard, you get yourself rewarded. So unfortunately, it's not all about the team's success in life. Growing up, moto teaches you many good things. First of which is hard work. Dirt bikes are hard work, no matter how you look at it. Your motivation to ride can be really strong for kids. And I was that way. I felt like I would do anything to earn money, whatever I needed to do. Everything about dirt bikes is harder than just sitting around and playing video games, right? So you have to prep the bike, you come into a routine of, I need to check tire pressure, I need to, air filter oil. You're doing all these things, even loading bikes, even getting your gear ready before you ride. All these types of things really add up and affect how much work it is. And it's an immense amount of work to ride dirt bikes. And that's part of what makes it appealing, at least for me as a kid and me as an adult. It just becomes an entire part of your life if you ride moto and you grow up with it. That hard work translates to real life, and you end up working hard in other things if you've been good at riding dirt bikes at any level. You don't have to be an intermediate or expert or pro level, but if you are dedicated to something like dirt bikes, you know hard work and you know how to get things done. Moto teaches you the more that you do something, the better you get. Just as if you were playing tennis or swimming, simple single sports. If you're doing those things, the more you practice it, the better you get. Now, maybe some people are going to progress better than others with natural skill for it, but with moto, the more you do it, the better you get. The safer you get. So you feel within your comfort zone, you're able to push things a little bit, and that's what's really great about dirt bikes for kids. One of the biggest things with dirt bikes is it teaches you to be tough. Tough in so many ways. Tough from getting beat up by roost when you're at the track. That hurts when it hits you. Even with a chest protector, it still hurts. Hits your face, everything. When you're on the trail, you get hit with a stick or a tree in your hands, arms, you fall, your fingers get smashed, you get up. Most of the time, most falls don't result in serious injury. So you get beat up a lot. It makes you tougher as a person. It's one of the few sports when you get up and you're beat up, you got the wind knocked out of you, and you don't have any broken bones, and everyone's like, oh, you're good. It's fine. So it's a pretty cool thing compared to stick and ball sports, where if you're beat up, everybody's like, wanting to run you to the emergency room, right? Pushing bikes that are stuck out on the trail, getting them out of a tough situation, pushing them up a hill, out of a creek crossing, getting water out of the engine when they've been flooded. Don't ask us how we know. Tough is pushing a bike off the motocross track that's stuck in the mud. Tough is pulling a bike that's blown up, you have to pull back from a trail ride or off the track. Those things are all tough, but build character as well. Tough mentally. Dirt bikes teach you to be mentally tough because you have to be such mentally on your game. When you're riding dirt bikes at any level, you're constantly looking at things, and you're mentally tough also from in a track situation, whether you're racing or not, people are coming by you and you have to be okay with that. And when you're on the trail, people are faster than you, maybe clearing a section that you're not. You have to be mentally okay with that, and it builds character that you're okay if you don't do everything. If you're not the fastest guy, it doesn't matter. One of the biggest reasons to have kids riding dirt bikes, and not so much team sports, is as they build and grow a love for this, when you're 50 and they're 20, let's say, or whatever it is, they're gonna go ride with you, okay? You're gonna build this love, you guys are gonna go ride together. Now, if they were spending all their time playing travel volleyball, soccer, football, doing all those things, you guys aren't gonna do that when you're 50. Okay, no one goes and plays football hardly. Okay, after that last whistle, rings in their senior year, I can tell you that for sure. So as adults, those sports that people emphasize so much for those few years of kids, very few people are playing soccer, football, baseball. Very few people are playing those things as an adult. But when you have a sport that, like this, and I will say there are even individual sports like tennis and what else? What other ones, Spencer? You know, bowling, is that really a sport? No. But tennis, swimming, mountain biking, you know, there's things that other sports you could do as a kid that you could get passionate about as an adult that you would still do as an adult, okay? That are considered real sports. What do we call golf a real sport?
No.
So with growing up with love for this, you can still do that. Now, as a father, I still did take my kids to team sports. I helped, I coached, I did some of those things, but it wasn't pushed heavily. We have many kids, and I'm sure there's plenty of people watching this that have seen it firsthand or involved or seen it in other people, that it's the what do you call that? The travel ball stuff. Club is taking over all sports. So sports aren't just for a season. It's somewhat year-round anymore if you're at a high level on there. Now, dirt bikes are year-round, depending upon where you live. But it's pretty dang fun, right? I think it's more fun than any team sport out there. Spencer's nodding. You agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you miss that you didn't get to play a lot of team sports?
Not at all.
Not at all. Not at all. So if you also learn, I feel like you learn enough team playing by being around moto guys. The other tough thing you learn is having a tough, thick skin, around moto guys. Now, you know, I passed Donnie the other day, and I made sure to send everybody in our group the video of me passing him. It was pretty cool. He was good-hearted about it because he'd been off a long time, so he, you know, knew he's a bit slower. And he has our dirt bike TV graphics in his bike. And you see I was taping those up. Yeah, I said we have to cover these up until you get a little faster. So kind of fun we have with moto guys. It's a good time. All right, so if you can get your kid riding dirt bikes, you're winning life, because hopefully it comes back to you when you're older. You'll have a great time. Spencer and I have some amazing time on the trails. He's gonna work in some cool footage of us riding on the trails together. There's nothing better. Riding on the trails and the track for that matter. We go on trail rides, track days. It's just a blast. And to have something like this, and for us, it's part of our entire life with work, etc. But for those, I see so many father-sons that are connected. And if you have a nephew or a niece that you can get into riding, it's a great thing to do as well. So skip those ball sports and stick to dirt bikes is my motto. Go have fun, ride, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
Saturday sun, we're out the door. No bleachers, no boredom, we want something more. Helmet clicks, gloves tied, hands on the bars. Little riders learn big, shooting for stars. You fall, you learn, you stand back up. That's how you grow, that's how you toughen up. Ah, yeah. 2 wheels beat stick and ball, less sitting around, more living it all. Dirt on the grin, wind in the soul, confidence filled with a twist of control. 2 wheels beat stick and ball, kids ride strong, kids stand tall.